Do you want to own a luxury apartment in Lagos State? Then this is where you need to be. Have you heard of 1865 residency coming up in Victoria Island, Lagos? Oh, come, you need to see this. I know you're loving what you're seeing already. You too can own a luxury apartment here in this place. I know you're loving it already, and you're wondering, where is this 1865 residence? It is right in front of me. You need to see it. 1865 residency is a residential development of 8 floors of luxury apartments with a penthouse. It has a lot of nice features like swimming pool, deep house, and so much features that you would love. So we have just few units available, and for few smart investors. You want to key into the smart project, then call the number on your screen or in the caption below and book an inspection with us. You need to come and see this.